In this video, we will demonstrate how to use Qual Browser. Double-click Excalibur to open the roadmap. Click Qual Browser to review acquired data file. Open raw file that was just acquired. Total ion chromatogram and spectrum. Select the pin to activate either screen. Draw a line under the peaks to zoom in on that range. First, we will introduce some useful icons on the toolbar. This is for copying the active cell to the clipboard. This will allow you to copy the total ion chromatogram to Excel or Word document. This is undo. This is for zooming in on the y-axis. And this is for zooming out of the y-axis. This will return the y-axis back to the original size. This will normalize the data displayed along the y-axis from 0 to 100%. This is for auto-integrating peaks. And if you click again, it will remove the integration. This is for manual integration. This is for canceling manual integration. By pointing the cursor to the desired peak. This is to define the noise region manually. The application calculates noise on the data points you selected, and you will notice the integration change. This is to cancel the noise region by drawing a line over the previous region. Right-click. When you are in the total ion chromatogram cell, and select View to change display from chromatogram to spectrum. Under View, select Report. From here you can review all the parameters. Such as tune parameters, instrument status, and error log files. Right-click and select Export. This will export the chromatogram or peak list to a Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word document. Right-click and select Export. This will export the chromatogram or peak list to a Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word document. The peak list is normalized by % area. Right-click again and select Display Options. Then select the Labels tab. Check area and signal to noise and click OK. Now area and signal to noise are displayed on the chromatogram. Right-click and select Ranges. And under Plot Type, select Mass Range. Enter an ion, for example, 264, and repeat steps for 266. (268) and 231. Now the display has extracted ion chromatograms for the chosen ions. Only if all ions are present and the retention times are close to each other, you can say that the compound is present. Right-click and select Display Options. Under the Style tab, click Stick. This will allow you to check scans across the peak. Activate spectrum cells by clicking on the pin. To view the spectrum for each peak. Now we will demonstrate how to use the library search. Right-click and select Subtract Spectra. Choose two ranges, and then draw a line on the right and left side of the peak of interest. Right-click and select Library. Choose Export to Library Browser, and click the Overwrite button. The library browser is now open, and it will search the best matching compound and list in order of highest probability. You can also view compound spectrum, structure, and other information. Use the library browser to search the standard spectrum or other information for any compound of interest. Select Search to search a compound by molecular weight, formula, CAS number, or name. Now let us search by name. Enter the compound name to display the compound information on the right side of the screen.